Welcome to Napoleon Hill 2.0, where timeless wisdom meets modern success. Today we explore the master key to success, a lecture that has transformed millions of lives. If you're ready to unlock your full potential, stay with us till the end. This may be the turning point in your life. The power of definiteness of purpose. Napoleon Hill starts with a truth few understand. Open quote, "There can be no success without a clear, definite purpose." Close quote. This means knowing exactly what you want in life, not just a vague wish, but a crystal clear goal. When your mind knows where it's going, everything else begins to align. Clarity creates confidence. Confidence creates action, and action creates success. Ask yourself, what is your definite major purpose? The subconscious mind is the gateway. Hill teaches us the subconscious mind is always listening. Whatever you feed it, fear or faith, it accepts as truth. If you constantly think of poverty, problems, and fear, your subconscious will deliver more of it. But if you feed it with success, abundance, and purpose, it will work day and night to make it real. Your mind is like a garden. What are you planting? The mastermind principle. You don't need to walk the path alone. Napoleon Hill introduced the mastermind concept, a group of two or more people working in harmony toward a common goal. This isn't just teamwork. It's a spiritual connection where combined energy multiplies results. Many great fortunes were built by people who created a mastermind alliance. Surround yourself with people who uplift your thinking, challenge you, and believe in your dreams. The master key, applied faith. One of the central teachings is applied faith. This isn't blind hope. This is active belief backed by action. You must behave, think, speak, and move as if your success is already in progress. Faith gives you the courage to persist when results are not yet visible. This is where most people give up, but those who persist win. Self-discipline. The priceless asset. Success isn't luck. It's a habit. And that habit is built through self-discipline. Discipline is what separates dreamers from doers. It's what gets you out of bed when motivation is low. It's what keeps you focused when distractions surround you. Hill reminds us that those who master themselves master life. Imagination, the workshop of the mind. Einstein said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." Napoleon Hill said the same long before. Every invention, every breakthrough, every fortune started in someone's imagination. What you imagine consistently, you eventually create. Use your imagination to visualize success. See yourself already in possession of what you want. Your brain doesn't know the difference between reality and vivid imagination. Learning from failure. Hill emphasizes that failure is never final. Every setback carries within it the seed of an equal or greater success. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it. It teaches, redirects, and builds strength. Most people stop at failure. Successful people learn from it. Failure is a teacher, not a punishment. The law of cosmic habit force. This is one of Hill's most powerful yet least understood ideas. The universe responds to your dominant habits. If you think positive thoughts consistently, act with discipline daily, and move with purpose, then the cosmic habit force aligns with you and attracts opportunities. This is not magic. It's natural law. Just like gravity pulls you down, habit force pulls your life in the direction of your consistent thoughts and actions. Persistence, the final ingredient. All the ideas in the world mean nothing without persistence. Hill calls it the sustained effort necessary to induce faith. Success is not for the smartest or the luckiest. It's for the most persistent. The person who gets up one more time than they fall. When doors close, knock harder. When people doubt you, prove them wrong. When life tests you, stand tall. Persistence is your silent power. Closing message. The Master Key. So what is the Master Key? Open quote, it's the combination of a definite purpose, a burning desire, applied faith, organized planning, self-discipline, and persistence, all guided by a positive mental attitude. Close quote. If you master these, no force on earth can stop your success. Now that you know the master key to success, will you use it? If this message moved you, share it. Comment below. What is your definite purpose in life? And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing insights from Napoleon Hill 2.0. Let the journey to greatness begin today.